Yo, baby! Hello, everyone! I don't know if you saw my post about Songs of Mother Europe. I've been teaching yoik in this course for a few seasons. I'm not teaching now, but I still wanted to share about it because I think the concept is so great. Because I know a lot of people in Europe and also in Americas, they're wanting to connect with European ancestry. And one way of doing that is to do it through some kind of practice. One of the things that's great about this course is that you don't have to be a great singer, you don't even have to have the ambition to be a great singer, because in this course you're learning about the culture, the worldview, the way of thinking, the way of life, the practices. Like, you're learning all this through song. So you're not only learning a vocal technique. And that is actually a lot of the same thing that I'm doing when I'm teaching yoik, that I'm through the yoiking, I'm teaching about all of these different aspects of the life of the Sami people. So I want to show you the web page. It's so interesting. 9-week workshop series. It starts the 5th of June. Here is a lot of information about the course and what's included, a sound journey, and there's 8 singing workshops with guest teachers. And of course you get to meet Hannah Lee, which is the creator of this. I don't read so much about it here in this, what's happening every week. And here are the teachers. There's Irish and Gaelic songs. There's polyphonic work songs from southern Italy. Solstice Song Feast. Sound healing with Lana. She's so lovely and beautiful. Manx traditional music. Ukrainian polyphony. Georgia. I don't know how to say it in English. And Scottish, of course. That's like amazing stuff. Iceland. And this is what I'm looking forward the most from Iceland, because I love Iceland in so many ways. Svavar Knutur I've been listening to for years. So sign up now if you want to try, or go to the webpage and check it out.